na kwa Mandela nguri na ngure. Oh oh oh. Oh oh oh. Oh oh oh. Ijenu Omer ndi na kwa e mwana go Jawa wo don Jawa e di to ni mwana go Jawa o ma Jawa o je me o me ma Jawa o me go Jawa o je me Omer John gini ka aka wa diri be mma gini ka aka wa chiji ho mam e je lokwe mgbado o la ihe na akogere ka we abawi na akogere ka we ka be bala Chidemma na se mo Chidemma oya lili singileti o mebo yibo Chidemma dade ina ngukwa Chidemma edenangu Mangaladuso Goyi wagi brezi Chidemma Chidemma Inangu Chidemma Edenangu Chidemma Ewatakonu mbaduga na Chidemma Abigail, the name of Jawa. What are you doing with her? Let me just go and get the money. I wish to drink. What do you need? I wish Abigail. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. Open this door. Hey, yala. Make it open. Oh, come on, do. Rufus. Go in the roof. Roof you. Also, I'm going to go. Noga. I just go marathon. I want to go. Go where? Come down. Listen. Inside is for those who know the value of night. Those who are people that are going to sleep, and not for animals that wander about in the night 24/7. Never. Papa, you curse yourself most of the time. Instead of having a home, you turned your place into a ranch. You continue and then produce animals. What do you expect? I'm one of your animals that you produced. So you are the father animal and the son animal. Noga? Daya, you are not going to enter this as you sleep there. This is my own house. And I have every right to say what is happening here. It's your jail. Point of correction, point of error. This is my father's house. That is the paramount thing. Nobody says Kedubegi. Get it from my way so that I can go in and have a sound sleep. Because if I get irritated now, if you anger me, entire woman listen and answer.
Hey. Why are you people shouting by this time of the night? Eh? You are disturbing the villagers.
Thank you. Your husband is disturbing the village. Mama, I came home. I want to sleep. This man here is disturbing my movement to bed.
No, please.
Oh, please.
Allow him
what? How many times have I warned him of keeping late nights? Just imagine. Me easy, very drunk. Fear. You cannot warn a man to keep, not to keep late night. Wait. We're talking man to man. A man indeed. So when they start talking of a man, you come out as a man. So Ijumwaina, it is your fault. Mowago, Ada, You are cursing yourself.
Let us sleep there.
Look, if I cannot sleep, look.
Please, peace, Ren.
I'll enter this house like more.
But then come for
I want to enter this house.
I'm
over here. Mama, one more.
Okay.
Yo, mama, Yo, mama,
Please now.
Yo, mama,
I cannot allow you.
Whoa. Morning, come out here. Whatever now. Morning, see. So what are you saying? Were you not there? Were you not there last night? When Papa refused me entering the house. Is it fair? I'm just telling you. One Papa, let him not insult me again. Let him stop insulting me.
Why won't he insult you? You have already insulted yourself by going against his will. Look at the time you came back yesterday.
Man, what is his will? Are you talking about a secret? I can't know. You people seem to forget so soon. Was I not the same person who was in Onitsha? My business booming, and I was bringing goodies home. Was I not sending you people money and all other things? Is it because misfortune turned me like this? Everybody's now insulting me. I am nothing. As if I'm not planning for my future.
Are you behaving like somebody that is planning for your future? Look at you, Rufus. Everybody knows that you are a drunk. You go about in the village causing problem. Rufus, everywhere. People will be calling your name.
Mama, I am your only son. So I should sit down here morning, afternoon, night. If people are going for their own business, I will say, Nabono. If they are coming back, I will say, welcome. Is that what you people want me to be doing? Don't I have to go move out, see people, see opportunities, and make my plans?
Nobody is asking you to stay indoors, but at least you have to stay and plan for your future. You are my only son.
How can you know I'm not planning for our future? Mama. How can you know I'm not planning for my future? Do I stay with you always?
It's so obvious
that I'm not planning.
Yes.
All right.
Where are you going?
Mama, it is nobody's business where I'm going. I'm a loafer, I'm a drunk, I'm useless. That is it. I cannot go out and catch fun with my fellow men just because I have parents who are trying to lock me up.
What have I done? Look at my son, my only son. Rufus, everybody knows that you cause problem in the village.
Mama, I heard you are Rufus. What is the problem?
My daughter, I don't know if Rufus is frustrated because of the previous problem he had in Onitsha. Look at everybody is calling Rufus. How can your brother be going about in the village causing problem and drinking? What is all this?
Mama, Rufus is not the only one his shop got burnt. He's just lazy and that's why I see him.
Mukalek. Unu nwere anya ka unu nwere anya onye. Ora ka onye anya ka kwa ya n'oku. Ogo ti na mu ya kedie. Mukalek. You people will go and return. Mukalek. Mukalek. You will go. Mukalek. 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 Uroko. You are already protected. Mukalek. Mukalek. You will go. You will return. Mukalek. 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 Odomagana. You are already protected. Mukalek. You are already protected. You will go. No evil will stop you. You are protected. Take this. Mukalek.
Of course. It's you we should be asking. Where are you going? Are you not aware that Timo Fort is coming out today in this village? Timo. I don't know. Is it today? They are here already. Look at them. See them. On your way going, make sure you drive to the market. Buy things that will last for you for the next 3 days. That won't be any market. Go!
Away!
by our side, yeah? Oh, we are going somewhere. Mama is on next time. Hey! Let me look at everybody. Shouting, praising. No, wait. Next one is come after. I really enjoyed today.
By the way, how much did we make, generally?
Okay, apart from the money we spent on food and drinks, and the 1,000 we gave to Silas and John each, we have outstanding 5,000.
Oh, that is good now.
Yes.
That is wonderful.
Yes.
Yes. So where is it? Where is the money now?
Oh, Rufo, you know I borrowed you 3,000 naira. And since I borrowed you that money, you have never paid back.
But don't make me angry now. Okay, what's the way? Give me the this now. Won't I give you your money after?
Can't I joke with you?
What kind of a joke? You saw me. I was the person struggling, doing all the.
Can't I joke with you? Little thing like this, you become angry. Am I giving you the whole money?
Give me this thing. Give me this thing. Oh yeah, let's go.
Then give me the 1,000 that you gave to others now. Ma was it to Thomas Baraka?
Baraka, I brought 1,000.
What kind of thing is this?
Let's go.
For it's not up to 2.
Let us go now.
I don't like this thing you are doing. No.
You don't like the money? Give it to me. Okay, now more now. Let's go. I missed you, and I missed you so.
I missed it too. Are you chill with your masquerading?
Well, you know, it's just a 3 days thing, you know. Choma, I know you do not like this masquerade thing that I'm doing, but I did not choose myself. I was chosen. I didn't just come out to do it. Understand?
But you can let it go.
Choma,
it
is not easy. This is culture. This is tradition. There is nothing you can do about it.
You can quit if you want to.
It's not as easy as you think. I can't just quit like that. Don't worry. You know what's going to happen? As soon as we get married, I will use it as a reason and then quit. Okay?
I hope so.
Yes, I know so. You don't have to hope so. It's going to happen because of you. Now, surprise. I got you something.
Wow. Wow, apple! Hey, Virgin milk.
Yeah, because you are the apple of my eyes and you are my milk of my nature.
Thank you.
I love you, Choma. I love you so much.
I love you too. But you know I love you more.
It's a lie.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I'm going to take you somewhere now.
Where?
Yes.
You know I'm not good at getting.
Then follow me.
Oh, I can't wait.
Let us go with fire.
The woman, where's your daughter?
She went to the market.
She went to the market. What is the time now? And the lunch is yet to be prepared.
I don't know where she went to. I sent her to the market on time. I wonder what is keeping her since.
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
From the market.
From the market. Yeah? What time did you leave this house? Yeah? Answer me before I cut off your head.
Around 10.
And this is 1 p.m. and the lunch is yet to be prepared. What were you doing?
Papa, your father. Papa, if you see the crowd in the market, eh? Hey, there was a lot of crowd in the market.
Crowd? Big one name in which market? Is it the market in this our own very village, or are you referring to another?
Mama, if you see plenty of
people... I said, this is the last time you will leave the house. And saying extra time that I'm giving to you. Either to go to the stream, to the market, anywhere. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Nonsense.
So, Kedisoko.
The agenda, why?
Fine.
Now. We have special agenda.
Let Rufus tell us here and now the manner we are going to be sharing our money. Wow. Each event.
All the it's very important. No, it's very important.
Fine. If you say you want me to be telling everybody how much you are going to get. Now tell me how much you are going to be getting for each event.
Okay. Let's assume now we made 10 naira. Then give everybody one naira. You can take 2 naira as well.
For what? 2 naira. Matthias, for what? 2 naira too small.
Okay, he has said it in the place of everybody.
Said what?
If we go and make in any event, I'll give you people 1 naira.
For what?
No.
What is it?
No, I use that one as an example.
Wow, come with example. Let's give you an example. Official ball.
Listen, wait.
Yes. I'm gonna get to that. My dancing step. I've been dancing. My dancing step.
They are custom.
And the custom.
Okay, that's a problem.
What are they looking for in this village?
Who knows whether someone has brought in illegal car?
You know what happened? It's in the villages though. Some of these people that deal on contraband, they bring it to the villages. Oh. So probably they are doing village hunting.
Okay, that's good.
You know a lot of bad things happen.
So you were saying something about the
man. You are welcome once again.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Madam, thank you very much.
Woman.
Ini.
Please go and call your daughter so that I can know whether she is the one he followed to this place. Oh dear God. Abiko, this young man sitting here says he wants to marry you.
Yeah, Chama. Chama, what is wrong with you? Baby, head. What is wrong with you? You have rejected 5 suitors already. Now listen, let me tell you. You see that man there? You must marry him. You must marry that man, oh! You must marry him.
But Mama, I don't love him now. I don't love him. I love Rufus.
Shut up! You love Rufus. I don't think you're alright.
I'll go. My in-law. Yes. I'm coming. See what is happening.
I'm very much alright though, Mama. Oh, my Rufus.
What's the problem? What's the matter? Huh? What's the problem now?
Don't mind this girl. Look at her. She says she's still in love with Rufus and wait for him.
Rufus? Eh? Rufus, after all these years, she's still talking about Rufus. Eh? What's the problem? That's why I don't like her staying extra time outside. That gives her the opportunity to meet with this idiot.
I don't know for how. Oh, I don't know what is wrong with this girl.
whatever is wrong with her, she's getting married this time around. She's getting married. I'm tired of her, this stupidity. I'm tired.
Hell, this girl has just vowed to disgrace me in this village. Kopaliam no boda.
No.
How?
Chuma is going to get married this time around.
Rufus, I fear there might be a problem now.
What's the problem?
Another suitor is asking for my hand in marriage. And my father is insisting I marry him. If not, he will disown me.
Another suitor? And who could that be?
He said his name is Ephraim.
Ephraim. Is he from this village?
I don't think so. He's been following me about, asking me to accept his proposal.
But Choma, why didn't you tell me all this while? Why are you hiding it from me?
That is because I told him I'm in a relationship and that I am not interested. And I don't see it as anything to start complaining to you.
What does he do?
He's a custom officer.
Custom officer? Oh, wait. Was it the Hilux I saw yesterday? I saw some one Hilux with some custom officers in it. Was it your house they were heading to?
Yes. And do you know that he didn't even inform me before coming? As I'm talking to you now, my parents are considering his proposal. They said I must marry him since I've rejected so many.
Why now? Why are they considering? They know I am their prospective son-in-law. So why are they considering me?
My love, see. This is the time you need to fulfill your promise of marrying me. Yes. You know what? I have to start going now before my mom will look for me. Tell me bye-bye now.
Bye.
Later.
My mind is not just at rest. Why? The same thing I have been running away from. This girl has been so faithful to me. She has rejected so many suitors just because of me. The only girl that chose to love me in this village. Why?
Scorpion.
Come. Get her. Can I use your scarf?
Yes.
Take this one. Sorry. It's just to kill the poison from going off.
It's spilling me off.
At least nothing will happen to you again.
He went that way.
I can see the man. No, don't worry. I've seen the man. Let me.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, we are lucky.
Who's that?
Don't worry, this leaf, I will just put the water. It will go.
Spilling me off.
Sorry.
What is it?
My leg. My leg.
Sorry.
She got bitten by a scorpion.
Mama is
Hey!
I have done all the things that are supposed to be done. This is my fault.
spilling me, Mama.
It's okay.
Rufus, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
You have to do something about it fast. You know scorpion.
Spilling me.
Sorry.
Mama.
Don't worry, it will not harm you.
Rufus. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. Can't you remember me?
Please, sorry. I know that I've seen the face, but I cannot place it. Please, could you remind me? Sorry.
I was the one you helped the other day when Scorpion beats me.
Oh! I remember. I hope the wound has healed. So it has healed?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you very much.
For nothing, my dear. So where are you up to? This one that you're carrying basket? Coming back?
I went to help my mom. I was on my way home when I saw you.
Okay. That's good.
Do you know that you're not really that bad the way people talk about you?
Well, my dear, people must say uncomplimentary things about you. Whether you're bad, you're good, you're the best, you're an angel or you're a Satan. So, but in my own case, I don't even care. I'm living my life.
That's true. So, where are you going to?
Let me summarize it by saying I'm going somewhere. Unless you want to go with me. Eh? You like to go with me to the bed?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let us go. What's that your name?
Are you telling me you can't remember my name?
No. It's not as if I forgot. You know, I have a lot of things on my head.
It's Chioma.
All the happy moments we shared. Why has misfortune dealt with me or even decided to deal with me this way? I lost my business in Onitsha. I was so unhappy. Now the only thing that made me happy from that all, I'm about to lose again. Why? What do I do now? There's no money to marry this girl now. So what do I do?
Rufus, what's the meaning of this now?
Rufus, I'm not comfortable with this. Take things easy and take your drinks.
Madam,
Just be a man. Who is he?
Who is Ephraim for him to dare into my territory? Eh? And have the audacity to trespass on my property?
It's not good, or drama. But wait. Who is this Ephraim self? Huh?
What stupid idiot who says he's a customs officer?
Rufus, are they the ones we saw the other day with Hilos?
Exactly. And they were headed to Choma's place that day.
Wait. Who is that person? I mean, who is that idiot that does not know that that girl belongs to you, Rufus? You are our person. Eh?
You know the worst. What saddens me more is that the parents, Choma's parents, are in support of the guy.
Hey.
Rufus, I suppose don't you think that that girl has tried for you? Has she not waited enough?
Am I getting younger?
Oh, no, the 20 years. One.
She's getting older, I'm getting older.
Then let her go.
Older. We can marry anytime, even at old age.
John, may Aradite seal your mouth.
Amen. Now go to wagon. Aradite seal your mouth. Did you know anything about love? And with him, the love. Who are you love? Who are marrying her?
Yeah, in fact, Ibu JJ Sinama.
The pep of Malin, the love.
It's a challenge now.
Yeah.
I will.
Yes.
I know what I'm going to do. I want to know.
Huh? I support you 100%.
I will do something and everybody. It's okay.
Rufus, what are you up to this time? Hi.
Hey, wait here.
Non-style.
Yes.
Oh, wait, you know who's talking here. Come on, get out here. Wait here. Oh, yeah.
What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of what? I am blocking the way. Listen, that girl Joma that you are attempting to see whether you can negotiate and get is my wife to be. Everybody in this village knows.
Yes!
Your wife to be.
Exactly. So stay clear. You think because you are custom, you just use customs cars, government car to come and intimidate not people like us.
I will only forgive you because it's obvious you don't know who.
Onye Gebo! Onye Gebo!
Come! Hey! I'm going to the matter. I'm going to the Hey!
Silence!
Come back here. Where are you going?
Papa, I want to go and fetch water.
Get back, my friend. Yeah?
Papa, there's no water at home.
I said, you want me to cut off your hair? You think I don't know that you don't my Rufus you want to see? Nonsense.
African food, we'll see continental food, we'll see everything. We'll sit you down and look, eat and eat and eat. True. You see, that's unfair. That's unfair. You know I was giving you my own direct. Okay, I'll wait. Let me be taking my own. Not swallow it, it's going to choke you. Can you take it now? Swallow what you have in your mouth first. Now. Choma, this girl hasn't come yet. I know it must be the father. I'm sure it is the father that is stopping her from coming. But I don't know. I know it must be the father.
You have refused to eat or do anything since morning. Eh? What is it? Why are you crying? Ogene?
Mom, you want to know why I'm crying? Mama, you want to know why I'm crying? Why won't I cry when I'm being held captive in my own father's house? Why?
You caused it. Choma, you caused it.
How? How? Isn't it a crime to love somebody? Eh? Or isn't it a crime to choose who I want to spend the rest of my life with?
You and I know that Rufus is useless in this village. You know it too well.
Mama, I don't know. Rufus is not a useless man.
Stop being blind to reality. What does Rufus do in this village if not gallivanting the whole village, causing troubles? He doesn't want to be useful with himself at all. Ever since he came back from Onitsha, when his shop got burnt, he has practically refused to do anything. What good do you think will come out from a man like that?
Mama,
tell me.
Mama, Rufus is not a useless man. He's just been frustrated by what is happening to him.
For how long will you keep on waiting for Rufus? For how long? Choma, ask yourself for how long?
No matter how long it takes. You
look at yourself. age is no longer on your side at all. Naked. Eh? You know that women are like flowers, if I must remind you. Eh?
I know.
No, you don't. You don't. You don't know at all. Because if you do, you will know that waiting for Rufus could be disastrous and disappointing. Except he's ready to marry you now. And let me remind you one thing. Your father has sworn that you must get married this time around. Okay, Nanya? You must get married though.
Every time you put me down, you must
marry that man. Why? You must marry him. You got Nataji.
You're not allowed somebody to choose who the person wants to marry. I'll marry Rufus. I'll marry Rufus.
Chi, I am sorry. I am very sorry. I know I went too far by bringing my kinsmen to come and see your parents without informing you. But that was just to prove how serious I am about it. Please, I'm very sorry. I can't help falling in love deeply with you as day passes. I understand. Yes. I understand you have a relationship with him. And that is the only reason that can make our plans to become husband and wife not to work out. But if that will make you happy, yeah, I'm willing to let go of my proposals. Yes, I have a good job as a custom officer, so you have nothing to worry about. I will take good care of you. Please. Think about it, please. Hey, I thank God that you came. You know, I thought that you were not even going to come with me.
I know how I manage.
Why is it that every time we say we're going to meet here, it's either you disappoint me completely or you come late? It's not fair now.
I just told you I know how I manage. Listen, my father will deal with me if he finds out that I sneak out of the house only to see you.
Soon, don't worry. Soon, all this harassment will stop when I finish paying your bride price.
And when are you coming to pay my bride price?
Very soon. Very, I'm working towards it, you will see. I will just pay your bride price and nobody's going to talk again.
Anyway, Rufus, I'm sorry. This might be the last time I'll be seeing you.
Okay.
Ephraim is serious about getting married to me. And he's coming with his people soon to pay my bride price.
But you say you were going to wait for me now. You promised.
Yes, I did. But my father have threatened to disown me if I don't get married this time around.
Hey, Ephraim, are you marrying him because he's a customs man?
No. It is because I am under duress to get married. Rufus, I need to start going now before my father finds out I'm not at home. I'm sorry.
But this is unfair, Chi. Is this how I lost this girl? Custom officer. Chi?
Rufus, let me finish one now. Can you do gift to Dinka? Papa. There is something I want us to discuss. I want to discuss with you. What is it? Papa, I want to get married. You want to get married? Yes. To who? The German, and is it not obvious? That's the German. I don't have two people here. You want to get married while still living with us in this house? No, Papa, there's nothing wrong in my while still living. But you're saying that as if it's something outrageous. When she comes in, it depends on the one that comes first. If it is looking for a house, fine. If it marriage comes first, we face it. So this marriage has come first. So I want to marry. And when we stay here, we can find a house later. Since you have already completed the arrangement before deciding to tell me. By the way, as you are not presently gainfully employed, how do you intend to achieve your dream? How do you realize it? That's why I came to you now, as a son to the father. for you to help me, give me advice, render some help where necessary, so that I can get Chioma. In fact, as it stands now, I have some small money that I have kept. I only need you to bring some other amount, maybe my own money, to buy drinks and all that. Then for you to bring the money for the bride price. When we pay for her bride price, I will buy the wine with the own money.
Wait, that I should do what?
Help me so that I can add some money. Get me some money so that I will add and bring Chioma for her bride price.
It is very stupid. It is very stupid. When will you ever say something reasonable, Rufus?
Oh, so my talking about marriage is not reasonable. No, I'm not reasonable. Papa, what is wrong in a son calling the father and saying, help me out to do this and to do that?
No, just take a very good look at yourself. Rufus, at your age, I was able to build this house. At your age, I had already gotten married. And my business was booming in Onitsha. Just look at yourself at your age. What can you boast of achieving in life? You are just roaming the village, doing unprintable things, especially masquerading. Oh God. Learn business. Mba. Or go school. Mba. Business. Business. I'm ashamed of you.
So you opened your mouth now to tell me a married Vanyan Afiaji. When I'm even suspecting for the witchcraft or a witchcraft. Give me small money, let me go and pay Choma's bride price before another man takes it away from me.
Wait though, you can't even think of fending for yourself. You are bringing it to Choma. Is it not better some other person takes her?
For another person to take my wife? Papa, I count you as one of my enemies.
Huh?
Yes! You are one of my enemies now. For you to say, look, if anybody takes Choma away from me, huh? Papa, even get me now, what I would do? You people are saying that to this thing. Now, that time, you will see me hot. Mona Gwag.
Rufus.
You know, Maka, Rufus, and I want to roof you. Help me to roof you.
Gagwante, tonto. Ask your stupid son. He wants to get married and still live with us in this area.
Rufus!
Don't work out.
Come.
Mama, I roof now. Don't roof me.
Yeah, because the head
I'm wait. I'm useless.
Not you when I have a question to ask you.
This is unfair. In-law. You people have taken me as your in-law for years. Why now? What have I done? Choma, this is unfair. Choma, this is unfair. Why are you doing this to me? This is the only person. In-law. You have always taken me as your in-law. For years. Why are you doing this, Choma? This is the only person I have in my life. Why are you doing this?
Come.
Choma,
Get this man out of here.
Choma is unfair. Choma, this is unfair. This is unfair. This is wrong. Choma, this is unfair.
disappoint yamo, oh disappoint yamo. Abajigo kwa maka, my baby, avugo kwa munana. Oh disappoint yamo, oh disappoint yamo. Abajigo kwa maka, my baby, avugo kwa munana. Shome me malu, oh disappoint yamo. Abajigo kwa maka, my baby, avugo kwa munana. I don't know, say she go do me like this, yeah. I don't know, say she go leave me and go. Upon all my loving, upon all my begging, I show me solo knows
Don't worry, Rufus.
Oh, disappointing, oh, disappointing.
Oh, Rufus, you are back.
As if you cared. Why are you asking?
Of course, I cared.
For over 1 week, I was in police cell. You did not even care to know whether I was dead or I was alive.
I tried to see you, but they couldn't allow me in.
You must stop telling lies. Because I know that this person that says he's your husband will never allow you to come.
Let the thunder strike you dead. Is she the one who sent you to the prison? You were there because of the offense you committed. Anyway, that man was lenient on you. If I were him, I would have dealt with you decisively and severely.
Mama, this person is not my father. You should have told me you marry a man that's impotent and you went to adopt. You adopted me, yes. From all indication, look at Chineme. Chineme doesn't resemble him now. I don't resemble him. He does not. How can you say it's my father?
Hey!
A father who said this person is my only son. Every time I shout him, not even one atom of love.
If he doesn't love you, he would have thrown you out of this
house. Because they are flanking you. Come out on the town of Bokwea and we'll every time you have time to talk. Mama, tell me who my father is. Let me go and identify myself with my father. This person is not my father. Where are you going?
I want to go and see him. Please come, let's finish the talk.
But go and see if you can breastfeed him.
So you have not turned on me, eh?
Am I even sure that
it's
Am I even sure that it's my biological son? Am I even sure?
The only guy who accepted me in this village.
Hi.
You be my guy, you be my person.
All this one way they do, make I advise you. You have to take things easy. You have to.
Take what easy? Yes. You did not see the way those custom people handled me.
Rufo, going to that side there, honestly speaking, I would say that those customs officers, they dealt with you, Steve. Hey! Hey! Why did you go there all alone? I mean, why did you go to Mazibe's house all alone without calling your backup?
Yes. The one I called you people earlier. What happened? You ran away.
Hey man,
did you people not run away?
Considering my stature, I should run.
Man, if you're now that stature, you will eat a bucket of food.
No. Rufo, don't think that way. Are you with me? No, don't just blame us like that. They would have dealt with us the same way. In fact, our own would have been double up or double. Triple.
And you expect me to call you a second time. So why are you blaming me for going there alone?
Well, you are right. But call a spade a spade. What I'm interested on now is way forward.
I know. It's a great thing. I'm going to be a customs officer. I will become a customs officer. This is already too much.
Rufus, is it because of Ephraim?
I don't care what the reason is. For whatever reason, I must be a custom officer. But I'm not like that and go for it.
Anyway, you are right. This thing where now very tall dream. You know that possible. Eh? You are illiterate. Customs not be that kind of way. Say if you no go school, you go. No, you go school. Graduate. They know they take illiterate. You no go school.
What are you? You didn't make your requirement, my friend.
Always you. Rufo, will they request for our certificate?
They take everybody. They take you once you have your O level.
I'm in support.
I'm not even going with my wife. I am going to enter UJAM. Enter into university. Enter customs as a senior.
Rufo, I salute you. Once they will take my O level, I'm in. See, maybe if our officer will become an
officer. You get O level. You get Rufus.
So Rufus, I found you. So you want to get back to school?
Yes, sir. I want to go since, like I told you, I have my O level. Let me go back and complete my university education. I'll go through my university education and then be useful to this community. In fact, to be useful to the country generally.
I think you will start by being useful to yourself, your village, before extending it.
Papa, I want to read. I'm not joking because you're taking it as a joke.
So you want me to train you in the university?
You owe me that as a duty, Papa.
Eh? Rufus,
why did you bring me into this world? You owe me that as a duty now. As my father, you have to train me.
At your age, you are talking of my owing you that as a duty to train me in the university.
Papa, age does not matter in education. There's no age limit in education. Since you're still alive and you have to train me, fine, I can say, okay, let me use small money that I have now and go to get jump. But as for the actual school fees, Papa, you have to pay.
No problem, since you want to go back to school. No problems. Chinwendo. Come on. Hey, your son wants to go back to school.
Hey! My son wants to go back to school.
That's what he said now.
Thank you, my son. Hey.
I have thought this thing over. I sat down, I thought it over. I know I want to go and complete my university education.
Thank you. I'm really, really happy.
Well,
thank God.
I'm equally happy.
Yes.
On my part, I will do everything to give him the necessary support, provided he behaves himself and face your studies. Yes.
He will.
Papa, was I not the person who called you and told you this? Why all this misfortune? 160. After all the extramural studies I have paid for and I have undergone, after all this study, look at Matthias. I know I am much better than Matthias academically. Matthias passed in flying colors. How do I show or tell this to my people, particularly my father? He will laugh me to scorn. No, I will not tell anybody. I must become a custom officer, God. What have I done? What haven't I tried? Let me achieve my aim for once. Money, authority. This is what I need to earn respect in this village. And I must get them. I must go to school, God. What is this? I must. Papa, I'm off.
Off to?
To the campus now, to school.
Oh, okay, school. Go well, Gakinata.
Tife what? Transport now. You know the campus is very far now.
Did we agree on transport fare? I agreed to pay your school fee. I did not agree to transport fare.
Papa, you have come again. Now let us not make argument about this thing now.
Ha!
What is school fees? When I live here now, am I not going to school? It's a part of the school.
Yes.
If I stay there in my class and then study, it's a part of the school.
Yes.
If I'm coming back from this thing to home, it's a part of the school. All of them is summed up in the school fees, Papa.
Because I did not agree to Tifa. The man like me saying obey the local. And when you quit that one, no way.
Papa, please let us not make argument about that. Okay. Okay, it will not be every day, Papa. Buy me a motorcycle. I can even buy the fuel myself. Yes, so I will not stop you.
How can you cook any kid? No, put it. If you go quite go motorcycle,
so that I will not disturb you every morning. I can even do. It doesn't concern you.
Why your brother? How is your brother? I can cook on a cook tea. I said I'm getting a Okada. Can you know what it is? Maybe go to your motor.
Koina Kowala Obataria.
Mungo to Akarati. Can you get Mulu Makaramolo?
Brother Rufus, at your age, Papa is still paying your school fees.
Oh.
On our money, can
you also give me? I want to win away from.
Look at you. Papa, I can take you. Papa, do we can even on the expire? Please bring this useless hand down. It won't go expire. Look, let me tell you, Papa, I can take a salt from you, not from this miracle.
Chelo. When I work at 1 million,
Papa, how many years did I give the children? You people did not even know that she was coming. She came by mistake. It was the mistake of an old age romance. Look at her. Advisor. You look, let me tell you, all your mates, you don't know a woman has an expiring date. If you do not know, you will soon expire. 1, 2, 3. If you do not know, all your age mates, most of your age mates, they have family, they have children. I am a man. I'm a man. I can say how many years I still be bubbling. Go now when you check a before you know you're matured. I am a man. At the age of 100, I can still be kicking fine. You will expiring date. In Agwambuku. Papa Jidego, I'm going.
Jidego.
Well,
happy.
Let me go and prepare
Oh, Rufo. You are still going to school by this time.
Rufo, I should be the one asking you that.
My dear, I prepared to go. I prepared since in the morning. Came out for my father to give me tea. The man refused.
Why now? Only Tife. Yeah.
Let me tell you, I am going to find my own apartment. Because all these things that they are doing is because I'm still staying under their roof.
Exactly.
Everybody is just insulting me, including my sister and short on.
I cannot even accept, staying with my parents. That's why I took that action.
It is good though. It is good. Yes. A man should not do something. That's why they keep.
So what are we going with? Is it keke or bike?
Can you go to let us see at that junction? Let's see what I want to do.
You're still around. I just rushed to Nkwa Market very early in the morning to avoid crowd and sun. No, what is it? Is there any problem?
I don't like the way things are going with you and with Rufus in this house. I don't like it at all. Heaping sand round his waist, supporting every evil that he perpetuates.
What do you mean? I don't understand
you. No, in the first place, if this thing continues, it's going to create a problem between two of us. And if you're asking me what I mean, How can an agadi nwoke like Rufus be coming to me for everything he needs? Actually, me so akwa na nye me go ncha. Mmiri na agum nye me go pure water. Kedu ya ga-agbo dia nwa na anakwa n'iyi yo?
But our son is still in school. Eh? He's not yet working. School? Yes.
Still in school. School he has spent over 5 years. Obligate chief and obligate no seminary. Being in school doing everything, not doing. Let me tell you, I've wasted enough money on this child. I've wasted a lot of money.
Nine. Don't regard the money you spent on your son as a waste.
Okay.
It's not a waste.
Okay. What do you expect me to call the money I waste on? I spend on him, not a waste. He comes back very late in the night, drunk, smelling. From where does he get the money he uses in drinking? That boy anagoni.
God forbid. Nai, I don't like the way you're being harsh on that boy. And I think that's where his problem is coming from. You're being too harsh on him.
It's all right. I will not stop being harsh on him until he starts behaving like a human being. At over 40 years. Just imagine the way he goes about masquerading and doing unprintable things. And they want me to remain quiet. Let me tell you one thing. I don't see any light at the end of the tunnel. He doesn't have any future. And I don't think he will have it.
Have you finished?
I will continue saying what I'm saying.
Are you through?
I'm through.
Okay.
Because I don't still believe that this is my biological son.
Oh, where?
Hey!
Oh, go to Riwa. Rufo! Mata. Rufo, what are you doing? You are reading.
I'm reading. Why not?
Rufo, I can't believe you are here reading your books. Eh? As if exam comes up now, you will write wonders. I'm on you.
Mata, is it not better than you who doesn't want to read at all? Read now.
Rufo, let me tell you something.
What are you going to tell me?
You have to take it easy the way and manner you read your books, because I can't even see where it's taking you to. You want to what are that kind of thing? By the way, I haven't seen you in our gathering. That's Ogene, all this while.
Look, I don't have time for all those frivolities now. You know my aim of entering school is to be a customs officer.
No!
I don't have time for all those frivolities.
Rufo, all those things you are saying, I am very, very much aware of them.
Why?
No, but it doesn't stop you from doing the things you are accustomed to.
Don't deceive me, my friend. Stop. You want me to sit and go to my bag?
Look for me and you, look me direct in my eyes and tell me who will deceive each other. Those boys have mixed us in fact, let us go there and ginger them, give them some swagger. What I go for?
I see some points. I see a point in what you're talking.
Let's go there and have some fun.
We can't, just because we haven't gone there for some time now. That's the only reason why I should follow you there. As soon as I become a customs officer, I will quit all these things.
Rufo, then I will go to grave with my own, with the Ogene. Who want to live forever with Ogene?
Let's go.
Let's all go and have some fun. Go out.
So, everybody, get ready. Where is Rufus? Lying what? What does that mean? Rufus! Rufus! How are you? Oh no, when that you are going to the farm this morning.
Papa, I am not aware. You should have informed me.
You are not aware.
You see, yesterday I did not, throughout the night, I did not sleep because I have 3 quizzes to do tomorrow, so I had to stay all night awake.
See, I don't Can you see a guy to be on a baby at 12 midnight and guy that?
Papa, you don't know anything about the internet. I was searching for something on the net. Something that will help me in the
Look at that guy, are you not eating? Can you the mother digger?
Papa, happen no ya kai put.
Can I write what in this? Mother don't know from mother flip. Can you digger?
Papa, please. You see, because of that reason, there was a heat inside. I decided to come outside and sleep. This shouting that you're shouting, you're even disturbing my sleep more. Jebeno, you, Mama, and Chineme,
go to the farm. Somebody will have to stay at home and can the house. How can the two men in the house leave the house and to go like that?
You're an idiot. Bola ni imbecile for saying I'm more nage na I shut in my own house. You want to respect happen?
Nah.
You want to respect?
There is no
time. Brother Rufus is a lazy man. Mona gina aboma. Happy akai.
I think you could tell you.
Judge, I could waga. But whenever I'm with you, happy and if I'm happy, don't me. Because it's going to irritate me. You could put it and talk this your hand in. Listen, next time, if I'm talking with our parents, I will go and have one due. One day they will not be in the house. I will rumple you.
If I walk,
I change your family, but never man.
All these things that you are doing, one day they will go and believe I will rumble you. Don't want to watch man. Come on,
why are you causing your son? I like him this.
Mapucho. Papim Besai. Keep it from. They think that everything is go to the farm as a child, you obey. Go and cut grass as a child. They don't know that a man, at a stage a man will reach, you allow that man to reason, to think. No, you are correct. Telling you. That look, every time you will be a. Oh, no, is there any place they have traditional this? No.
I was on my way to see your father.
Father?
Yes.
I hope no problem, sir.
No problem.
Okay.
There's something I want to give to him.
A message?
Yes.
Okay. No, my father is not at home. Oh. Yeah. But he went out and I don't think he's going to come back now.
Okay.
It's a sufferance.
Give him this 3,000 naira.
Okay.
The money I borrowed from him last 3 weeks. Please give it to him.
I will, definitely. It's all right, change your massa.
Okay.
Bye-bye. What I shall never end. Well, you see how God works in mysterious ways. You see me that work. Abigail, happy young one. Abigail, you were saying something about the money I owed you before. How much was it?
2,000.
2,000.
Let's give her 1,000.
No, we are still drinking. She did it for the old one. When we finish this one, we'll bring one more. One for us. You see, God is wonderful. God works in mysterious ways.
That's why it's a miracle worker.
God is a miracle worker. Please. We were talking about money, just from somewhere.
Put like 5 bottles of stars in the fridge for me.
This year's harvest is not as bountiful as last year. Because this is so kilikilabo. I think we should plant more of yam in the next planting season.
Yam is even better than this every season cassava plant.
Not that we will not plant cassava, but we should plant more of yam. Excuse me. Is your brother back?
Are you expecting him to be home by this time? Who will be gallivanting around the village?
Why is it that you and your father are always harsh on your brother? Remember, he is your brother.
Mama, he's also your son. Is that why you've been supporting his excesses? You hardly talk to him. It's not good though. You need to talk to him. You are his mother.
What do you want me to do? Can you talk at me? He's my son and I will not throw him away. I'm not asking you to throw him away. But you are supporting him too much. I don't like anytime Papa is trying to talk to him, you'll be sounding supportive of him. He's my brother and I want the best for him. He will be at the forefront. Your life. At this age? Of course, Mama. You need to talk to him. He'll be at the forefront.
He's a troublemaker in this village. Is this life?
It's alright. Let's hurry up and finish peeling this cassava so that I will get it ready before the next Nkwa market day.
Change your topic.
Change the topic. I don't need change the topic. Continue peeling.
Oya
Ibem TV ma be ba paria maka na nwa nwoke.
It's okay now.
Agwamu
Udodukwa. I heard you people, I heard your voice. Udodukwa.
Udodukwa. How can there be peace for a man who has a son, an idiot of your type for a son? How can there be peace?
Papa, if this is the reason why you called me, I have a lot of things to do the other side. Let me go back. Just to come here and shout at me.
Hey! Can any reason nothing in your life? Nothing! And you know it.
I am the leader of the masquerade group of this quarter.
Okay, you will soon go to Oganigwe. Let me tell you something. Chifima came here and he was threatening to put down my house. What money did you collect from him in respect of your land? Which land are you people talking of?
Okay, he came here. Well, Papa, it's something that concerns myself and the man. It doesn't concern you. Let me.
Okay, Rufus. Emanebo. Nukucho.
Why did we have to be?
What of the money Chief Nkwo gave you to give me the other day?
Oh, I collected it on your behalf.
Thank you very much.
How do I pay for my handouts and then TV? What do you think I've been using?
Meaning? Mbao. Nakini mele. You have been using for what? Hey!
Leave my shirt.
Leave me alone.
Leave my shirt. You will take this here. Tata. Open a very woke up. Can't you very time? About leave my shirt now. You are embarrassing me. Let me tell you. What do you mean by John? Don't you see my shirt? Tell me what? Papa, is because of you.